friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, bienvenidos, hajime and my name is Hillary. So today I have another Halloween themed video for you guys, because as I said in my last video, which was my first horror FX video on this channel, is that Halloween is my favorite holiday, so I want to post about Halloween every week this month, just to, kind of celebrate this fun holiday. So today I was planning on doing like a jack-o'-lantern inspired tutorial. So the plan was to kind of like carve out my cheek to make it look like a jack-o'-lantern carving and kind of make it realistic if I can. I haven't really done realistic makeup before, and you just start out with this and see how it goes. So as I always do, I'm first just going to take a lip liner and use it like a pencil to sketch out what I want. And I'm actually thinking of like a traditional jack-o'-lantern carving, so like the triangle eyes, the triangle nose, and the smile. So I first want to sketch that out on this cheek, I believe. So as you can see, these shapes are like very messy right now, but that is absolutely fine, because the next thing I want to do is fill inside all of this with concealer so that we have a very clean and even like base to kind of draw or paint on and get to look how we want. So I'm just going to start that. So now that we have this filled in, the next thing I'm gonna do is draw in some like lines to kind of make it look like this is actually 3D and like into my skin. I hope that you guys can see that. My concealer is not quite dry yet, so the lip liner didn't really show up on it exactly how I wanted to, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna move on now. And what I'm going to try to do is find like a orangish color to start filling this in. So I have my James Charles palette, and what I'm going to try to do is mix this really orange color and this one, this kind of like muted brown orange, to try to get the color that I want. So next I want to kind of make it look like there's a candle or light coming from inside. So that means that this inside is going to be very like yellow orange. So what I'm gonna do is I'm now gonna take maybe a mix of these two yellows right here to create the color that I want, and put that on the places that I haven't filled in yet. Now I'm gonna use this like really super fine detail brush. I think it's actually meant for like liner, but I'm gonna use it to like add some shading to the parts of this that I know are gonna be darker than the others. Like if the light is coming from down here closer to the nose or mouth, then up by the eyes and stuff, the yellow isn't gonna be as dark. So I'm gonna go back in with like maybe like a darker yellow or something to try to show that. But this might work or it might not, we'll see. So I'm not sure how it looks on camera, but I really like how that turned out. I'm pretty pleased with that. I think we're getting close to being finished with this. One thing that I definitely want to do is either use a black or brown eyeliner and outline this, just to like define stuff, because obviously it's very messy right now. And yeah, so I'm gonna look for that and then I'll be right back. So I have this brown liquid liner. I hope I like how this looks, and I hope I don't mess it up. So this mouth absolutely looks like a mess right now, because I didn't really plan it out how I really wanted it to. So I'm gonna try my best to clean this up and we'll see how it goes. So now I'm just going to go back in and add some final shading where I think it might help it. And lastly, I'm just going to use a makeup wipe and clean up all the edges that I don't think are quite clean enough. Awesome, now I'm just going to finish this look off with a pretty bright orange-yellow eye look, but I'm going to do that off camera, so I'll be right back when I'm done. So I created this eye look and I really regret not showing it because I absolutely love how it turned out. Basically what I did is I did like a halo technique where I put an orange color, like the lightest orange, out on the corner and then out in the middle corner and then connected it. And then I used like darker oranges and reds to deepen out in both of the corners. And then I put like a creamy gold shade in that inner, on that lid spot that still had no shadow on it. And then I finished it off with some gold chrome liquid liner. And I absolutely love it. I'm so happy with it. And I think it matches the jack-o'-lantern very well. So thank you guys so much for watching as always. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below letting me know if you enjoy these Halloween videos, or maybe if you don't, let me know. I'd love your feedback. But thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!